This dung beetle. She's an ambush hunter. But in these new scrublands, cover is hard to find. These kangaroos are slow. Top speed, around 10 miles an hour. But the marsupial lions, she wants to know, just from the quality of his voice. An answer. But he's got a long way to go. Forests are dying out. It's been happening for thousands of years. And everyone, he is also looking for a mate. These days, he has to cross. But she's still a bit wobbly on her feet. For the next 9 months, he'll be her sole provider and protector. They need to catch up with the convoy. Elephant birds travel together for good reason. The forest for millennia, they've thrived here in the icy north. But right now, they're starving. The prey the cats hunt is becoming scarce in these valleys. Because the climate is warming, forcing grazing animals to find new feeding grounds. Today, they might be in luck. A mammoth herd, trying a new route south. Taking on such powerful creatures is a huge risk. But they don't have a choice. It's the end of the Ice Age. As the planet heats up, every habitat on Earth is changing. As ice retreats, water returns to the landscape, and forest animals thrive. But the rulers of the Ice Age are facing the end of the world they know, and struggling to survive. make their move. The biggest danger? A huge male. Unpredictable and powerful. She's injured, but these cats won't give up. The warming climate has changed migration routes in this part of the world. On the coast, its effects are spectacular. Mineral-rich ice is falling in huge quantities, filling the shallow sea with nutrients. And birds' eggs. But this one is out of his league. It is, after all, the biggest egg of all time. And it belongs to the biggest bird of all time. An elephant bird. Their brightly coloured neck wattles help attract a mate. This giant is about to become a father. But something is wrong. His chick is taking its time. They're running late. Elephant birds synchronize their egg laying, so the chicks hatch at the same time.